So today our lesson we are going to discuss on management, and the first thing is for us to define what management is. And in MIS we say that management is the art of maximizing efficiency within the organization. As a social process, we say management is a method of getting things done through others moving towards a common goal. So there is something that is very key here. We are saying that as a manager, you get things done, things concerning the organization, but you cannot do this one alone. You do this one through the rest of the members of the organization towards a common goal. You get things done through others. Others include other members of the organization, maybe in different roles, moving towards a common goal. It involves effective utilization of available resources to achieve same objective. So in management, we have to make use of the available resources, effective utilization of the available resources within the organization to achieve the same objective. So that is the definition of management. Now, what are the importance of management? We are going to discuss four importance of management. Number one, management helps in achieving group goals. So we are saying it arranges the factors of production, assembles and organizes the resources, integrates the resources in effective manner to achieve goals. And now remember, an organization has got long-term goals or short-term goals to be achieved. And that is where the management comes in. If you are part of management, you make sure that you use the resources that are available towards achieving group goals that are laid down by the organization. Management converts disorganized resources of men, machines, money, etc. into useful enterprise. Now, remember, that is what we call resources of the organization. And personnel is one of the resources of the organization. An organization may have machines, may have money is also a resource. So management organizes all this in order to achieve the goals of the organization. Now, a manager will coordinate, will direct, and will control the resources in such a way that they are used for the benefit of the organization. So that is one importance of management in an organization. Number two, management makes optimum utilization of resources. A manager utilizes all the physical and human resources productively in such a way that as a manager, you are able to maybe place different personnel in different departments and make sure that you utilize them well for the benefit of the organization, which leads to something we call efficacy in management. Management provides maximum utilization of scarce resources by selecting its best possible use in industry. So there is something we are saying here. As you can see, we are saying a manager will make sure that the resources that are available are used maximally for the benefit of the organization. A manager will make use of experts. We are talking about experts. We are also talking about professionals in the organization. They'll make sure that any expert in the organization, any expert in the business is used maximally for the benefit of the organization. And that is where number two, we are saying a manager will make optimum utilization of resources within the organization. Resources are people like are experts. We are talking about professionals. We are talking about things to do with money. We are talking things to do any item that belongs to the organization, including personnel, is a resource. So a manager will make sure that resources are used maximally for the benefit of the organization. Another importance of management is management reduces costs. Now, a manager will get maximum results through minimum input by proper planning, and by using minimum input, getting maximum output. So as a manager, we are saying you use the resources that are available maximally to make sure that the organization or the business gets maximum output from the resources that are available. And in such a way, we are saying a manager reduces costs of operation within the business. Now, the fourth part, the importance of management in an organization, we are saying management helps an organization to prosper. It helps an organization or the society to prosper. What do we mean by this? Efficient management leads to better economical production. We are talking about better economical production, which helps in turn to increase the welfare of the people. If a business has got good people or good personnel involved in management, we are saying the organization will prosper, and even the society where the organization is based is also going to prosper, because the management in that organization is using resources well, has got good plans for the organization. So that is where the aspect of prosperity of the organization comes in. And now this one brings the difference in some cases whereby we can see maybe a business is doing well and another business is not doing well. Now the key difference is the management, those people who are involved in management. So as we come to conclusion of our lesson today, we are saying we have talked about the importance of management, and I've said number one, management helps in achieving group goals. Management helps in optimum utilization of resources. Management reduces costs for running the organization. And the last one is management helps an organization or the society to prosper. And that is the end of our lesson.